got a ride, but you can't ride in it? How you got the drive, but you ain't driving it? Tune in, I can get you right in 5 minutes. Hit subscribe for these rides, I put my life in it. I used to keep it going if the outside was clean. Now I'm grown and I put away the childish things. You gon' have to do a lot more than wipe it clean. I could give you all the tools you gon' likely need. So tune in, tune up, lock in. It's D Brooks, dawg. I'ma give you real life game by the book, dawg. Tune in, tune up, lock in. It's D Brooks, dawg. I'ma give you real life game by the book, dawg.
What's up, buddy? Long time no see, man. This car, I haven't seen this car in what? How long?
Like a year?
Yeah, because you were in the purple one.
Yeah, last time I was
Dirty
in
Deeds.
South, yeah.
Let's check out that. Hell yeah.
Still trying to figure out how
Is this
all
the
this stuff works.
the 7-inch?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, let's check it out. Man, this thing sounds like a beast coming up, dude. What kind of mufflers you have on here?
They are JIG stainless or welded chambered mufflers.
Are they like Series 10 type style?
No, I mean they're full size like a 40.
Like a 40?
Yeah, but it's just like an open chambered.
Sounds good, man. I've never heard my car pull up though, so you know what I mean? Like,
Right.
I was like, man, that sounds like, yeah, it sounds like an LS swap car coming over here. Yeah, man. Can I see it again?
See what?
The engine.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah. Have you seen it since I went fuel injection? Maybe at the house once.
Yeah, but you weren't done yet. Like last time I seen this car, yeah, you weren't even done.
Yeah, I think we saw it when I was did fuel injection swap.
I'm using these same like push style things for the for that car. I like it without the fender.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you got all the room in the world. It just stinks because of how tight these frames are. Like, I really can't even go like underneath with a turbo header.
So what I would have done differently with that manifold, I've seen someone else do it. You know how that hooker comes out like right here? Someone went under, but your frame is thicker than mine, but they went under there and put the turbo over here.
Okay.
So it like,
Yeah, that's kind of my thought is I'm going to have it land somewhere right about here and have to move these and then have this open right here just for maximum flow there. And I'll support it with the frame.
yeah.
But I'm also going to have the crossover on the front, not underneath, on the back side.
Oh, you're going to cross it.
My front will come out this way too, crossover, connect, and then probably just a single dump out this side, I'm guessing, because I'm not going back underneath.
Somewhere right here or over there.
I'd like to do more of like a center mount and then have 2 pipes coming out, one on each side, but it's probably overkill.
All those big horsepower cars, you see, you see that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A center mount and have like a 2 or 1 and 2 pipe setup coming out with 3-4 inch pipes coming outside.
That fan's kicking ass, bro.
It does good. This car usually doesn't run over like 180, 190 miles. It's got a 180 thermostat in it. Yeah, and so I got the GPS sending unit for the Holly Dashes for the mile per hour. I'm still trying to figure out how to get all that working. I think I need to do a firmware update on it. Because my buddy I got it off of, he had a Dominator in his car. So I think I need to update the firmware for the Terminator.
Is this a brake line? What is
Line?
Okay, your line lock. Okay.
Yeah, I just put 3-inch studs on the front of it yesterday, put the skinnies back on. So I took it to the show last Saturday. I put the front wheels off the 69 on it just to cruise.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely noticed a big difference between the 2 tires.
Man, I like these wheels, man.
They look good on this car.
Yeah.
I used to have the same ones, but in the polish finish.
Yeah.
Before they came out with the powder coated black edition. It's so dirty right now. Look at
You were selling these at one point, right?
I sold the Spikes version.
The Spikes version. Okay.
Yeah. I had the spikes on this before, and I regretted it.
Were they just like too much?
Yeah, they didn't look good. The knockoffs aren't good looking compared to the real actual weld ones,
but these are very nice.
Yeah, and they're thick. I mean, they're pretty heavy duty. I know guys running these wheels that go well into the 5s and the 8th. I mean, they'll hold up. That dash, man, makes me never.
So is this cam like a stage 2, stage 3? What is it?
It's BTR's LS3 stage 3.
Okay.
So it's a 615 lift. I can't remember what the duration is.
Now where's your fire extinguisher at? No, you better not. Are you serious?
I haven't gotten one for in here yet. Yeah, I actually need to go get one this week. I almost bought one the other day when I was at Jake's on Friday.
Yeah.
After work, and completely forgot about it.
Yeah.
I got this Friday night. I picked it up from my buddy. Yeah, I definitely need to get one. Add it in like right here or something.
Yeah.
They make like roll bar mounts, but I'm like, how am I gonna grab that? Like,
In the midst of everything,
yeah,
like
it's like, oh,
yeah. Oh, my bad.
no, you're good. I barely even use that thing anymore.
I'm surprised it's
I don't
there.
have side mirrors.
All mine have fallen off from the heat.
Well, the windshield got replaced.
Oh, okay.
Probably, well, I mean, like 10 years ago.
It pulls pretty good too, man.
It's not bad.
Man, it just feels solid. The car feels solid.
Yeah, it's pretty stiff. Got polyurethane bushings on the frame, subframe connectors, cowl tracks in the back. Even though it's factory control arms, that's all polyurethane bushings.
Yeah.
New ball joints, new steering. Everything's so new. It's still nice and tight. The gearbox is the only thing that's really still original, but it's still pretty tight. The power steering. When I get turbo, I'm probably going to have to switch over to manual, which I think I'm going to weld up brackets and put a rack
Yeah.
instead of keeping the gearbox. Give me some more room and take some weight off.
These mufflers don't sound bad at all.
No, they're not like literally there's nothing coming out of the back of the mufflers. That's where it stops. Oh, here's my neighbors right here. Like, oh, I'm terrorizing the neighborhood. Yeah, the mufflers are not bad at all. Like I said, for how cheap they were. Not sure how long they're going to last before they blow out, but
I think mine is blown out. Man, it just sounds good.
man, dude, 183, cruising around. It's still got a stock oil pump in it, so it only sees about like 35 to 55 PSI, just depending on when you're getting on it and stuff.
That's healthy though.
Yeah, so I mean, just a little bit of gas, it jumps up to 45. Not even like fully getting on it.
hard was that to install?